Isaac Newton was an English mathematician, physicist and astronomer who is considered one of the most influential scientists in history. He was born on January 4, 1643, in Woolsthorpe, Lincolnshire, England. Newton's groundbreaking work in mathematics and physics laid the foundation for classical mechanics, and his laws of motion are fundamental principles still taught in physics today. Key aspects of Isaac Newton's life and achievements include early life and education. Newton was born prematurely and was not expected to survive, but he grew up to be a brilliant and curious child. He attended the King's School in Grantham and later studied at Trinity College, Cambridge. Laws of motion. Newton's 3 laws of motion, published in his work Philosophia Naturalis Principia Mathematica, Mathematical Principles of Natural Philosophy, in 1687, form the basis of classical mechanics. These laws describe the relationship between a body and the forces acting upon it, and laid the groundwork for understanding motion and dynamics. Law of universal gravitation. Newton's law of universal gravitation, also published in the Principia, explained that every particle in the universe attracts every other particle with a force proportional to their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. This law explained the motion of planets and celestial bodies, providing a unifying understanding of the natural world. Newton did have some profound insights and wisdom. Here are some of his notable quotes and wisdom. "If I have seen further, it is by standing on the shoulders of giants." This quote reflects Newton's humility and acknowledgement of the contributions of those who came before him. Truth is ever to be found in simplicity, and not in the multiplicity and confusion of things. Newton emphasized the importance of simplicity and elegance in scientific theories. "I can calculate the motion of heavenly bodies, but not the madness of people." This quote reflects Newton's recognition of the unpredictability of human behavior. To every action, there is always opposed an equal reaction. Newton's 3rd law of motion, known as the principle of action and reaction, highlights the interconnectedness of forces in the physical world. "We build too many walls and not enough bridges." This quote underscores the importance of cooperation and understanding between individuals and nations. Tact is the art of making a point without making an enemy. Newton recognized the value of diplomacy and tactfulness in dealing with others. "I do not know what I may appear to the world, but to myself I seem to have been only like a boy playing on the seashore and diverting myself in now and then finding a smoother pebble or a prettier shell than ordinary, while the great ocean of truth lay all undiscovered before me." This quote reflects Newton's humility in the face of the vastness of knowledge and his awareness of how much there was still to explore. This most beautiful system of the sun, planets, and comets could only proceed from the counsel and dominion of an intelligent and powerful being. Newton's belief in a divine intelligence behind the intricate workings of the universe, although he was also known for his scientific rationalism. It's worth noting that Newton's quotes and wisdom are often derived from his letters, scientific writings, and notes. While his philosophical views and ethical ideas were not as extensively documented as his scientific theories, his contributions to the understanding of the natural world have left an enduring legacy in the history of science. Isaac Newton passed away on March 31, 1727, in London, England. His contributions to science and mathematics continue to be celebrated, and he is remembered as one of the greatest minds in the history of human knowledge.